In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently stop IbisPaint X app notifications permanently. So if you've been receiving alerts from this app and you wish to permanently put an end to them, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, all you need to do is to go ahead and find your app and then just long press on it, and you should see this option app info. If you tap on it, you will be taken to this app info page. Scroll down to permission section and go to notifications. Now if you tap on this, you should see all the types of notifications that have been turned on. Among them we have the permanent notifications, vibration notifications, as well as sound notifications, floating notifications, just to mention but a few. To turn them off, instead of turning one by one here, just go ahead and toggle off these show notifications, and this will turn off all the other types of notifications. From now henceforth, you'll never again receive any notifications from IbisPaint X app unless you go ahead and toggle this on again. So that's how you can permanently stop IbisPaint X app pop-up notifications. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.